Hello student. In this section of video we will learn some other concept based on the HCF. Now the concept is the greatest number that will divide x, y and z leaving the same remainder in each case is given by HCF of x minus y minus z and z minus x. See, this statement is much more important to solve the question based on this concept, and this will be lot clear with the given example. The example is, find the greatest number that will divide 55, 127 and 175 and leaving remainder same in each case. Now see, since the numbers are 55, 127 and 175. Now 175 minus 127 as x minus y. We have write the number in the decreasing order actually for the sake of avoiding minus sign. If the minus sign will occur in the calculation, then you have to ignore that minus sign. Now, although you can do in this order also, but this will avoid the minus sign in the calculation. So if some minus sign will come, we will ignore that minus sign. Now 175 minus 127 is equal to 48, since x minus y as here, and 127 minus 55 is equal to 72, since y minus z as here. 55 minus 175 is equal to minus 120, since z minus x as here. Here we are having minus sign, we will ignore that minus sign. See, the order of number will never matter a lot in solving this. You can follow any order, but the order will be same for that particular question. Now as here, this order is in this order, you have to solve, means you have to go like this. If you follow this order, then you have to go according to this order, means x, y, z. Here in this case x, y, z. Now see, HCF of 48, 72 and 120. HCF of 48, 72 and 120. Now we have calculated the HCF, that is 24, and this is the required number also. When we will divide all these particular numbers with the 24, then we will be getting the same remainder in each case. If I'll divide 55 with the 24, we will get the remainder. If I'll divide 127 with the 24, then we will get the same remainder as we are getting in the case of 55. Here also, if I'll divide 175 with the 24, then we will get the same remainder as we are getting in the previous two cases. That is, the remainder was 7 actually. We will get 7 remainder in each case. I hope you have understand this concept. Solve more and more question on this concept to make your concept clear, and this will be not only important for the academics but also for the competitive examinations in the aptitude section. I hope you have understand this concept. Stay blessed, stay at home, protect yourself from the corona. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.